Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another tutorial on our channel. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw XDC from Gemini to Revolut in 2025. If you're holding XDC on Gemini and want to transfer it to your Revolut account for easier access or spending, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for any updates in fees or policies by 2025. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Gemini and Revolut, and that your Revolut account supports XDC deposits. XDC is a cryptocurrency on the Shinfin network, so we'll be dealing with blockchain transfers. Expect a bit of waiting time for confirmations. Step 1. Log into your Gemini account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Withdraw or Transfer section. It's usually found in the Wallet or Assets menu. Select XDC from your list of available cryptocurrencies. Step 2. Enter the withdrawal details. You'll need to provide your Revolut wallet address. To get this, open your Revolut app, go to the Crypto section, and copy the XDC wallet address. Paste it into Gemini, and double-check for accuracy. Wrong addresses can lead to lost funds. Step 3. Specify the amount you want to withdraw. Gemini might show you estimated fees, which could include network costs. In 2025, these fees might vary, so keep an eye on that. Once you're happy, review and confirm the transaction. You'll likely need to enable two-factor authentication for security. After confirmation, Gemini will process the withdrawal. This could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, head back to Revolut and refresh your crypto balance. You should see your XDC appear. A quick tip. Always start with a small test transfer to ensure everything works smoothly. Also, check for any minimum withdrawal limits on Gemini. By 2025, Revolut might have enhanced features for crypto, so stay updated. There you have it. Your XDC is now in Revolut, ready for use. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.